In response to the increasing number of vehicles and the challenges faced by owners and drivers due to the lack of regulations on tax rates and fees, a delegation from the Nyotrep Integrated Territorial Organization (HITO) met with Meghalaya Transport Minister Sneobalang Dhar today. The delegation urged upon the minister to implement the Motor Vehicles Rule (MVR) in the state. HITO President Donbok Lang Dhar, speaking to reporters today, highlighted that the absence of the MVR has made it difficult for drivers to manage tax payments related to permits, insurance and other fees, with delays often resulting in significant financial penalties. The HITO president also stated that Transport Minister Dhar has assured the group that the issue will be addressed and the MVR will be implemented promptly.
Mentah sih ingin kalian juga sengaja itu sengkme. Bila pan mendikantu sembut menteri, ibadai menteri juga transport. Mentah sih kejingi kandu jungi belum ke sisi so sahabat kepustusan. Ba nakaliang jungi minister ila I commitment ban implement no ya kanika Meghalaya Motor Vehicles Rule. Kablong ke kepustusan su adu kata panakaliang ke government plan kelaya under process ini kam. Tinggi apa nak jingero, nomor buang ba, baru kau kini kiba ni thok angne bangi dawa, kat kumban buat kat kumka, injok na ikata ka Meghalaya Motor Vehicles Rule, baru tharai bun kiba injok na segimnya stop, kani ka Meghalaya Motor Vehicles Rule kan jadi kiba tulisong ka Assam, hadu mentah nadu ba injok ikajala lajong nyim hatuan ikata ka rules lajong. Ya mentah akan yang kerman skam akan yang serta kan menteri kamu yang yang rule mentah kila under proses berkila air komitmen makin day na banilai wood pendem hakapor kaba lengkap. Te kenang benda saya susul sipat ba kani ka Meghalaya Motor Vehicles Rule kalong bumi kani ka jingdawan ka seng kaba kamtam itu I penalty fine lada ka lapse ka permit la hapsiu kumba kala expire no kendala expire ke code no kendala renew kendala fail ke tu ke penalty kena 10,000 kena kalian ko cumi ngi sungkya ba man siu 10,000 kalong ke ba you try kali ba namar khantam lagi tu im jakpo na ka lat kamai kena kalian cumi ngi suggestion ko government ba deban reduce na ikato ke bambut la haga jingmi ai ba haga jing start jo government ta ka ba kila ba sendor na ka lai haga ke ba khamslan rio kan pa ispo long hangi haban ai lat namar ting man ai jam tu tapi ai tang 1000 dan belum trek bandisio tengi haban pe hagi haka advantage disadvantage haka pe yade kene kam dan kalian ko jongki kila ong ba hawat kani kade kamat ka ba kila yale ba mansna ya kane ka rule wood khanang ban reduce ya kane ka fine haka pe yade ba fail na kano na do ki insurance hadu kano penalty ka pe yade kane ka traffic te nakalian ko jungi habi yade ba kani ngil ai jengmur kat kum kani ka dorkas ka bangi specific ngila mention ya ka chapter 4 5 8 7 8 but 9 jong ka Assam Motor Vehicles Rule arajar lai hang ni ha bade ban guide ni ban regulate bahaya ta ka fine and taxes te nang taru ngila su kei ban tum kam da ka I chalan system ban siu ya kata ka fine ban hadian ban cara impose penalty balai bang ikut menteri kam I chalan teng subuh nga sa fine nga sa fine ngam don pisa te ki reduce no bat ki ai no to ka bai tan re ban dala don bang I chalan subuh la ngam don pisa haplaro sin la ode ya to ka chalan ngila ban siu hakano ko bai ka pot